Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This is part 3 of the counter app without Recyclerview. In this video, we will use alert dialog with custom view to show loading, and also we will show an empty view if there is no data or some internet issue is there. Link of the last video is in the top right I button. We will go to the main activity layout file. Parent layout is linear layout. Now we will create another layout, that is constant layout, and we will put the linear layout inside the constant layout. In the linear layout, we need to put constraints top, start, end. Below the linear layout, we will create a constraint layout. We will give an ID to the constraint layout, empty view. Also need to give an ID to the linear layout, ID linear layout. By default, the linear layout visibility will be gone. Inside the empty view, we require a text view, and placing the text view at the center of the constraint layout. In the text view, we will write something went wrong. Now in the main activity in top, declare linear layout, that is the parent card who is holding the cards, constraint layout, that is empty view, because we need to show and hide this empty view, and the linear layout, that is holding the cards. Inside onCreate method, we are getting the reference of the parent cards and the empty view. We will create a new method hide empty view in the main activity. Here we will show the linear layout and we will hide the empty view. Similarly, we have created another method show empty view. Here we will show the empty view and we will hide the linear layout. To show progress dialog, we have created another method. Here we will be using alert dialog because we are using custom view in the alert dialog. So in the layout folder, we will right click new layout resource file. File name progress_layout. Here we will be required a progress bar and a text view. We are creating a progress bar, ID progress bar. Need to put constraints in the progress bar. Parent layout height would be wrap content. Text view ID progress text. Need to put the constraints. Text please wait loading. Progress bar constraint bottom would be the top of text view. In the main activity top, we will declare alert dialog. Inside show progress dialog method, alert dialog builder assign new alert dialog builder context this. Then for custom view, view assign layout inflator from context this dot inflate. First parameter progress_layout file. Second parameter null. Then alert dialog builder set view. In the parameter view, getting alert dialog from builder.create. Then dialog.show. We have created another method hide progress dialog, and inside it alert dialog dot hide value event listeners to callback methods on data sense and on cancelled is not called if there is no internet. So for that purpose, we need to explicitly check if there is internet or not. In Google search Android code to check if internet is there, we will click the first link of Stack Overflow. Copy this code and paste in the main activity. We also require these two permissions in Android manifest.xml file. Now before value event listener code, we will check if network is connected. If it is connected, we will show a progress dialog. Inside on data sense method, hide the progress dialog. If counter model is not equal to null, call the method populate. Before it, we will call hide empty view method. Inside the else condition, call show empty view method. Inside on cancel method, we will call the hide progress dialog method and also show empty view method. Go to the progress_layout file and we will change the background color. We have defined a new color in the colors.xml file and we will use this background color in parent view. Our code is complete. We could run the app. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.